Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Twitter QR code. Launch the X or Twitter. And basically tap on your profile icon at the top left. And then basically choose the QR code option from the menu if you have one, right? Basically what you're gonna do, you can scan someone else's QR code or view your own to share with others. Because my account is private, I won't be able to actually have the access to it. But if you have a public profile, you're gonna see the option to scan the QR code or scan someone else's QR code. If you have a QR code, you just point your camera at it or use a QR scanner app to read it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.